In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a Google Workspace account in just about 5 minutes. If you've decided that Google Workspace no longer fits your needs, or perhaps you're moving to a different platform, you're in the right place. I'll guide you through each step to ensure you can securely and effectively delete your Google Workspace account without leaving any loose ends. First off, head over to the Google Workspace website. This is your starting point where all the magic begins. Here you'll need to choose the Google account associated with the workspace you intend to delete. This might seem straightforward, but it's crucial to ensure you're logged in with the right account to avoid any mix-ups. After choosing your account, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Take your time to ensure you enter the correct password. We've all had those moments of typing errors that lead to unnecessary frustration. Once you've successfully entered your password, click on the Next button to proceed. Upon successfully logging in, you'll find yourself looking at the Google Workspace dashboard. Look for the square dots icon located at the top right corner of the page and click on it. This will open up a menu that includes various Google services and applications. Next, you'll want to access the admin console. You can do this by following the provided link or simply navigating through the Google Services menu you opened in the previous step. The admin console is where you'll find all the settings and controls for your Workspace account. Once in the admin console, you'll locate and go into the account section. Here is where your journey to deleting your account truly begins. From account, move on to account settings. This might seem like a bit of repetition, but navigating through these sections ensures you're exactly where you need to be. Within account settings, look for the option labeled Account Management. This is the key to further steps, as it opens up the possibilities of making significant changes to your account, including deletion. The final step in the process is clicking on Delete Account. It's a big step, and by the time you reach this point, ensure you're ready to let go. Remember, once your account is deleted, there's no going back. All your data within Google Workspace will be lost. A crucial piece of information before you proceed to delete your account is that you can only do so after you have cancelled your subscription. This is an important prerequisite. Ensure your subscription is fully cancelled before attempting to delete your account to avoid any complications. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to removing your Google Workspace account. It's a straightforward process, but it's always good to go in fully informed and with a clear understanding of each step. Deleting your account is a significant move, so ensure it's the right decision for you or your organization. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.